To buy, to lease, or to rent? That is the question. No, I'm not talking about the immortal bard's famous quote from Hamlet. Rather, I am bringing up a common question for many of you. Is it best to buy, lease, or rent shop equipment? Of course, just like any important purchase for your shop, it depends on your operations situation. Let's talk more about this important decision next. Leasing equipment may be an option for you if you have limited capital and need equipment that is replaced or upgraded every few years. Buying the equipment may be best if you have an established shop that needs equipment with a long life. Renting equipment may be best for small shops that can't afford equipment maintenance, offering flexibility when it comes to paying for an asset when needed. When it comes down to it, the decision to buy, lease, or rent shop equipment should be made depending on the situation. Let's talk about buying equipment first. Buying the equipment yourself puts the entire commitment on you, meaning you'll have to pull the money together to repair or service your equipment. It's not all bad though. It also means that as the owner, you can alter, modify, and use the equipment how you want, without restrictions. However, leasing equipment comes with a lot less commitment as opposed to buying and makes it easier to upgrade when the term of the lease ends. With that being said, lease restrictions will almost certainly restrict what you can and can't do with that equipment. That means less opportunity to alter or modify the equipment as you see fit. Renting and leasing are actually pretty similar. The difference with renting comes when you sign a contract, which is generally for a year or less. You won't be responsible for maintenance costs, however. Renting may not offer your shop the option of buying the equipment at the end of the rental term, and almost always requires you to return that equipment. When it comes to deciding whether you should buy, lease, or rent your shop's equipment, you may try to find the cheaper option of the three. Whether it's cheaper to lease or to buy depends on the cost of the equipment, how long your shop will use it, and the financial health of your repair shop. Leasing may be more affordable because of lower monthly payments. However, buying can be less expensive in the long run since you'd own the equipment after you're done paying it off. Renting is best if you just need equipment for a short time or if you don't know whether you will need it in a year, like for seasonal contracts or if you're trying out a new service at your shop. If you still are having trouble deciding what is best for your shop, don't be afraid to ask around and see what other shops in your area have done. Remember, deciding whether to rent, buy, or lease equipment requires an evaluation of the circumstances surrounding your shop. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.